Good morning, everyone. This is the innovation team from Sanskrita Gurukul, and I'm Rangana Kashyap, and my teammate Arnavi Kashyap have made this project about rainwater harvesting and sustainable use of water management. So, we are introducing you to Rainwise, a groundbreaking innovation for sustainable and cost efficient water management system in your household. In a world where water is precious, rainwater empowers you to make the most out of every drop, slashing our water bills while protecting our Earth's most valuable resource. It seamlessly merges advanced rainwater harvesting system and in-house recycling system and often goes to waste, allowing you to harness and reuse the water like never before. Imagine harnessing nature's most valuable resource to cater to your household. But Rainwise doesn't stop there. It also captures and recycles in human and in home in typical waste, treating it for various human and sinks and conditioning condenses and even rejected water from reverse osmosis systems. Our advanced filtration system, which uses traditional method, helps us to create a cost efficient, sustainable produce of clean water. And rainwater is not just an environmentally conscious choice; it is an economically smart one too. By drastically reducing our reliance on municipal water waste, and also it will be lowering your water bills as much as possible. So now we're going to explain the explanation of the project, how it works. So as you can see, this is a pH level test. This pH level test happens when the rainwater is falling through it. As we know, the first rain is acidic, so we have this pH sensor here, which works by our code, which says that if now currently the buzzer is off as the rainwater is above 5.5. If the rainwater was below, which is this is where you're testing it as lemon water here, if it is below the level, the buzzer will be on, and the buzzer will be on. The buzzer will be on, and the this would not flow through it. The only water which is above 5 would flow through it. Then later it will be stored in the this tank, rainwater tank. And also we are collecting AC and RO water, which is also being stored here. And we are pumping this both water to the upside area. It is being stored in the upside drain cycle. And then again, if we use this water for our household needs, use for household, and then also if it's used for cleaning and all, it can be also used and the cleaning after the water is used for cleaning. It is also stored in a tank called the soapy water tank, which is a gray water, and this water stores the water which has already been used, and this can be used for gardening and other purposes. So basically, this project is not just buying a product; it is a long-term investment towards sustainability and water efficiency. You are not just conserving water, but you're also making a long-term investment towards making slashing your water bills, along with preserving the Earth's most valuable resource, which is water. Thank you.